from the data frame. So to detect null value, you have to use isNull function. Firstly, what's the output? This is our first data frame. Some data are missing. In name column, index number 1 position, in the first row, all the values are none. And in the age column, in the fifth row, means index number 4, the age is missing. Now use here print df dot is null function. It means it replace all the none values by true and all the non-null values from false. Watch here. In index number 1, all the values are replaced by true. That means none value. This. And in the fourth number index, age value is true. Otherwise, all the data are false because it contains some value. So, next function is not null. df dot not null. It is just opposite of isNull function. Watch here. It is just opposite of isNull function. Now we are going to add one more column in the existing data frame. Right here, df of, right here the column name that you want to add, test2 is equal to, and write here some, you store here all the none value. Into the data frame. Length of values does not match length of an index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 values. Length of values does not match length of an index. What's the matter? Don't worry, remove all the elements and use here numpy method. np dot null. So what's this? this test2 column is added and whose all the values are none. So remove this line. Now we are going to delete the none values. First method is drop NA. Drop NA function is used to delete all the missing values. Then use, simply give a message data frame after deleting null value. Use here /n to change the line and print df dot drop NA function. And for column you have to pass an axis equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1 means column, comma how is equal to all. That means delete the column whose all the values are none. Execute the program. Drop NA, spelling mistake, drop NA. Watch here, this test2 column is deleted. In this data frame there is no test2 columns. It means test2 columns contains all the none value, so it is deleted. If you pass here how is equal to any, it means deleted the data whose any of the element is none. See this, all the data are deleted because in the name column there is one missing value, in the age column none value, in the test column none value and test2 all the values. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि पर्टिकुलर कॉलम में कहीं भी कोई भी डेटा अगर नन है तो वो उस कॉलम को डिलीट कर देता है. कब? जब आप हाउ इज इक्वल टू एनी टाइप करते हैं. If you pass here x is equal to 0, it means it delete the row. See here, empty data frame. Okay, now we are going to delete row whose value is missing. Print df dot drop NA within a function, type axis is equal to 0, comma subset is equal to, type here the column name unit, then test1, it means it remove the row where if there is any none value in the given column, mean test 1. See here, in the index number 1 there is all the value is none, so in the next data frame the index number 1 the row is deleted. So if you pass x is equal to 0, it means for row wise. If you pass here 1, it means column wise. And subset is used to give the column name. Our next topic is that filling missing values, means filling the none values. So fill NA function is used to fill the values in place of none. So print df dot fill NA, and inside here paste the value that you want to replace with none value. See here, all the values are replaced by 0 that contains none, means index number 1 row and test to all the columns, and anywhere it means there is no missing values.